Meaning of ethnocentric.
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 Ethnocentric. Ethnocentric refers to the tendency to view one's own culture, customs, and values as superior to those of other cultures. This mindset can lead to a lack of understanding and respect for differences between cultures, and can manifest in behaviors such as discrimination and prejudice towards individuals and groups outside of one's own culture. Ultimately, an ethnocentric attitude can limit personal and societal growth by inhibiting cross-cultural exchange and collaboration, and perpetuating stereotypes and biases. It is important to cultivate a mindset of cultural relativism and respect for diversity in order to foster mutual understanding and harmony across different cultures.